Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a delicious Indian recipe called chicken curry. This creamy chicken curry is going to make you feel like you're at an Indian restaurant. Let's get started. I started out by cutting 4 chicken breasts into large chunks just like this. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, and then 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of gram masala. Pour all your seasoning on top of your chicken and give it a good mix and set it aside. Heat up a skillet on medium-high heat and add 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. Now I'm adding 3 medium onions that I've finely diced. Saute your onions for several minutes until they have gotten golden in color. After your onions have browned up like this, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of grated ginger and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. You can use fresh garlic as well. Now I'm adding 3 cups of finely diced tomatoes. Want to cook your tomatoes for about 5 minutes. We want the tomatoes to dissolve. Basically, you're not going to see them in the final dish. Then add half a tablespoon of salt. Now this is optional. For extra heat, now is the time to add some diced jalapenos. I will not be adding diced jalapenos to mine, but if you do like it spicy, you can add diced jalapenos. Now I'm adding 4 cups of sliced mushrooms. Saute your mushrooms for about 5 to 8 minutes until they have softened a little bit. Go ahead and add your chicken. We're going to keep sauteing until that chicken is fully cooked. Close the lid so the chicken can cook faster. While it's cooking, every once in a while, open the lid and stir the chicken around. While your chicken is still cooking, go ahead and get ready 2 cups of half and half and mix in 1/4 cup of cornstarch while it's cold. Mix it in well so the cornstarch can dissolve. After your chicken has fully cooked, go ahead and add 1½ cups of coconut cream. And then I'm going to mix in my 2 cups of half and half that we just stirred in with our cornstarch. Then add 2 tablespoons of curry powder and 1 tablespoon of gram masala. Go ahead and give those a good mix. Then add half a tablespoon of salt. Let it simmer on low heat uncovered, and your dish is ready to serve. Now to cook the rice in a separate pot, I added 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Then sprinkle a little bit of each, a little bit of fennel seed, a little bit of curry powder, and a little bit of turmeric. The fennel seed's gonna get toasted in that oil and ghee, and that curry and turmeric is gonna give that yellow color to the rice. After toasting up your fennel seeds for a few minutes, go ahead and add your rice. I rinsed and drained my rice. I used 2 large cups of rice. Now you can use the amount of rice that you like. Just remember, for every cup of rice, you want to use the same cup to add 2 cups of water. Then add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. You want to lightly salt this rice because our curry has enough salt in it. And I also wanted to mention I used Basmati rice. After sauteing your rice in the oil for several minutes, add your water and stir it all in. As soon as it starts bubbling up, cover the lid and let it simmer on low for 20 minutes, and your rice is ready to serve. Top off with chopped cilantro and serve with fresh naan bread. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.